What you just saw is a computer vision-based system that counts cells in real time, without the need for manual counting under a microscope. Just a camera and AI models that can analyze thousands of cells instantly. This is the power of computer vision in biotechnology. Traditional cell counting is slow, error-prone, and heavily dependent on manual observation. But with computer vision, we can process images at scale, delivering fast, accurate, and repeatable results. For the healthcare and research industry, the benefits are significant. Labs can accelerate medical research, hospitals can improve diagnostics, and pharmaceutical companies can streamline drug discovery. And in this tutorial, I will guide you through a step-by-step process to build a cell counting system using computer vision.
Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on fine-tuning YOLO for cell counting. In this tutorial, our objective is to create a custom YOLO model for cell detection and use that YOLO model to count the number of cells in a particular image or video. So to do that, you have to follow some simple steps. In this tutorial, we will see that. Let's get to our first step. Our first step in cell counting is creating a data set and annotating it. So for our data set, I'm using a microscopic view of RBCs. As you can see, these are red blood cells in 600 times. So using this video, I'm going to annotate it on classes of RBC. Let's get to our label platform and annotate it. As you can see, I have uploaded my dataset on Labeler platform and provided it with a class of red blood cell. Using this class, I can annotate my object using Labeler segmentation model. Then press enter. Now our one object has been annotated. We have to keep repeating this until all of our objects have been annotated, and then we will start the SAM2 tracking to annotate the whole video. So let's skip that part and see the result. When annotation and SAM tracking is done on our dataset, it will look something like that. As you can see, all the classes of RBCs has been annotated and it has been tracked throughout the video using SAM2 tracker of Labeler. So as you can see, whole video is annotated. So let's get to our next step of converting the annotation into YOLO format. When the annotation is completed, you can export your annotation in JSON format, and using that JSON format, you have to first convert it into YOLO format for custom model training of YOLO. So to do that, I have created a library which helps us in converting our JSON into YOLO format. You can clone this Git repo. I have already cloned it, and then from that repo you have to import convert to YOLO segmentation, and then provide that function with annotation.json part, video directory of your dataset, and use split equals to true and provide the ratio of how you are going to split. Like I'm using 50% my data for training, 40% for validation, and 10% for test. And when you run this code, the annotation will be saved in this format, YOLO format. It have a labels and image directory, and each have test, train, and val, and a data.yml file which is going to be used later on. So let's get to our next step of model training. So to train our custom YOLO model on custom dataset, you have to use this command line. So in this command line, you have to provide the task equal to segment, mode equals to train, and data equals to the path to data.yml file, which is created in YOLO format directory, and then provide it with the model name. I'm going to use YOLO V8X segmentation model for our custom model training, and then the epochs and the image size and the batch size. And when you run this command line, a run folder will be created which have a train folder which contain the weights of your model, As you can see, it has two weight, best and last. So with this, your custom YOLO model has been trained. Let's get to our next step of cell counting logic. For, for cell counting logic, we are going to first load our model, which we have created in previous step. So we have just to provide run segment train weight and last.pt weight to YOLO and load that model in our model. Then we have to provide with an image and inference that image using model.predict, as you can see. And then for each result, you have to draw a rectangle on that cell. And for counting, you just have to find the length of the list of that result boxes. So with this, you will know the number of cells you have detected in that particular image. Let's do this. As you can see, I have detected 300 cells. Let's see as you can see, there are about 300 cells. Let's see in bigger size. To perform cell counting using custom model on video, you have to follow similar step as we have seen in image cell counting. To do that, you have to just count the number of cell frame by frame and then print that on the frame. To do that, you just have to provide it with the video part using OpenCV library, and then in a while loop run each frame and provide that each frame to our model and get the result. And using that result, you can get the detection classes, which is red blood cell, and the total detection, which is length of that detection box. And then you have to just draw the bounding boxes on the coordinates you have gotten using box, and then you have to just annotate that total detection on the frame using this put text function, and provide that to OpenCV, and then you can get the result in a saved video using out.write frame. So let's do this and see the result. As you have seen our result, it works great and perform accurate cell counting which we want. Now you know how you can perform cell counting on your own data using a custom trained YOLO model. Let's see you in our next video with new ideas.
For more computer vision or machine learning related tasks, you can check our GitHub, where you will find everything in one place.